So y'all, I've recently, in my time away, have really tapped into interior design. I'm sure
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
you guys aren't surprised because a lot of us fashion people love interior design. But let me tell you, at home has always been my place, and just trying to kind of make my home my sanctuary because of everything that's going on. You don't really go out like that, so the wreath. But this one in particular is temporary. I think that is the wreath for the millennium. Okay, I love that wreath, but I've really grown to love flowers. So y'all stay tuned for what I want to do with this. I'm excited. My mom picked it. Proud of her. I need y'all to get into this. To restoration hardware, and boy, the couch to that one. The back lean gives you a recline, and look at the rug. It's plush. I love it. And this chair. Everything. But the bookcase. This is everything. Different lamps, shades, mirrors.